Welcome to Budapest, the city that stole my heart with its history, charm, and thermal baths. It's actually pronounced Budapest, although most of us have been saying Budapest our entire lives. Budapest is actually two cities, Buda and Pest, separated by the Danube River, the second longest river in Europe. The cities officially merged in 1873, but each side still has its own vibe till this day. On the Buda side, the castle district is like stepping into a fairy tale. Cobblestone street, historic places, and panoramic views. Across the river is Pest, home to the stunning Hungarian Parliament building. It's one of the largest in the world, and honestly, it's even more beautiful at night. We took a tour that used VR and took us walking through the city, allowing us to witness history. We would put the VR headset on once we arrived at historic spots, and it was like traveling in time. You get to see how the city used to be, learn about its history, and it even placed you in battle. I had never done a tour like that before, but I do feel like I learned a lot from it. And it was cool to do something different. Budapest sits on over 100 natural thermal springs. Locals have been soaking in these mineral-rich waters for centuries. This bath was such a vibe. It was steamy and calming. Thermal baths are an absolute must when visiting. We also did a mud mask at the hotel, which was so nice. The spa at the hotel was amazing. This was the hotel we were staying at, and it used to be a palace. It was so cool. I'm gonna make a separate video on the hotel itself. Hungarian food surprised me in the best way. I tried lángos, a deep-fried flatbread often topped with sour cream, garlic, and cheese. It's a super popular street food in Hungary, and I can tell you why, because it's delicious. Sorry, that was kind of corny, but I'm not gonna re-record, so. I also tried goulash, which refers to a soup, not the typical thicker stew that is often called goulash in the US. I also really enjoyed it. This restaurant called Mazel Tov was exceptionally good. Definitely add it to your list so you can visit when you go. I had the hummus bowl and it was so good. I also had the pleasure of eating at Babel. It was an excellent meal. It was so good that I made an entire video about it, so go check it out. The public transportation was safe, clean, and reliable, so definitely count on it while you're there. Budapest was more than just pretty views. It was peaceful, welcoming, and unforgettable. I'd go back in a heartbeat. Thanks for coming along in this visual journey with me. I know there was a lot of pictures, and when I went, I wasn't planning on doing this video, but I liked it so much, and then I started my YouTube channel, so I figured I'd add it. But for future videos, I'll try to have more video content. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and subscribing. It means so much to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you.